When Mulberry approached McQueens about creating something for their exclusive supper at the Savile Club for London Fashion Week, I saw it as a fantastic opportunity to create something wow and show the diversity of work we do at McQueens. Mulberry sent me a mood board which included Emma's cute illustration of a monster, and also a lot of the designs had a kind of earthy, Celtic, mythological feel. The initial sketch I created referenced Maurice Sendak's illustrations for where the wild things are. The trees had leaves clustered at the end of the branches, so I knew if we did something like this, we would be able to create a lot of impact and yet not block anybody's point of view. We were already using birch at Claridge's for the Monsters Lair where the fashion show was taking place, so I thought I would continue the narrative by using birch as our main material for creating a series of fantastic trees to sit on each table. So my sketch was then transformed into metal frames. We then spent a fortnight binding the frames with a forest worth of birch to create the finished trees. To get the particular look I wanted, we used a surprising amount of gilded magnolia leaves to create the clustered look I wanted at the end of the branches. In fact, it took around 1,300 gilded magnolia leaves to create the finished effect, which were hand-wired onto the branches. We used real gold leaf to hand gild around 200 glass apples and pears for the trees. And we also used 200 small vases which were also gilded to create some shimmering golden light throughout the venue. I've been obsessed by a candelabra created by the talented designer Daniel Ost. I wanted to make my own version, which I thought would look perfect on the fireplace at the entrance to the Savile Club. What I really loved about working with a high-profile brand like Mulberry was the trust and the freedom they gave me to create something quite unique and different and push the limits of what we do at McQueens.